Starting a small business is one thing, but figuring out how to actually make money from it, that's the real challenge. In today's video, I'm breaking down how to earn money with a small business, step by step. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your profits, I've got you covered. Let's turn your business into a money-making machine. Make sure to stick around for the entire video because I'll be sharing some tips most people overlook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite takeaway at the end. The first and most important way to earn money with a small business is to offer something people actually need. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this step. Start by identifying a gap in the market. For example, is there a service people in your area are missing or a product that solves a specific problem? The key here is to focus on demand. Let's say you're good at baking. Instead of just selling generic cupcakes, cater to a niche like gluten-free or vegan desserts. If you're a handyman, offer specialized services like assembling IKEA furniture. Something that is in high demand but not commonly advertised. Remember, the more specific your product or service, the easier it is to market and attract loyal customers. To earn money with a small business in today's world, you need to have an online presence. This doesn't just mean creating a website. It means actively engaging with your audience on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Start by showcasing your product or service. For example, if you're a personal trainer, post short workout videos or testimonials from your clients. If you're selling handmade jewelry, create aesthetic product photos or behind-the-scenes content of how your pieces are made. But don't stop at content. Use your online platforms to drive sales. Set up an online store or list your products on marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon. If you're a service-based business, promote booking options directly through social media. Businesses with an active social media presence are 51% more likely to make sales compared to those without one. One of the fastest ways to earn more money is to reduce your costs. This doesn't mean cutting corners, it means being strategic about where you spend. For example, instead of renting a storefront, consider operating from home or online. If you're starting a food business, source ingredients from local suppliers to save on shipping. Or if you're running a clothing business, use print-on-demand services to avoid upfront inventory costs. Remember, every dollar you save goes directly to your profit margin. Focus on efficiency, especially when you're just starting out. Another powerful way to boost earnings is through upselling and cross-selling. This simply means offering additional products or services that complement what your customer is already buying. For instance, if you run a photography business, offer photo editing packages or custom prints. If you sell candles, pair them with matches or candle holders. These small add-ons might seem insignificant, but they can significantly increase your average order value. Amazon does this all the time with their frequently bought together section. Apply the same strategy to your small business. Check out my ebook in the description if you want extra income for yourself or to raise capital for your business. To truly maximize your earning potential, don't rely on just one revenue stream. Diversification is key. For example, if you're running a bakery, you can earn money not just from selling cakes, but also from offering baking classes or selling recipe ebooks. If you are a consultant, package your expertise into an online course or sell templates and resources. The more streams of income you have, the more stable and profitable your business becomes over time. Your customers are the backbone of your business. If you focus on building long-term relationships, you'll have repeat buyers who also refer others to you. How do you do this? By providing excellent service, offering loyalty discounts, and following up with your customers after their purchase. Sending a quick thank you email or asking for feedback shows that you care and it keeps you top of mind. Acquiring a new customer is 5 to 7 times more expensive than retaining an existing one. Focus on customer satisfaction to keep profits rolling in. Networking isn't just for corporate jobs. As a small business owner, building relationships with others in your industry can open up new opportunities. Collaborate with complementary businesses to reach a wider audience. For instance, a wedding photographer can partner with a florist or a bakery to create joint packages, or an online fitness coach can collaborate with a nutritionist to offer combined services. These partnerships often cost little to nothing, but can significantly boost your visibility and earnings. There you have it, some of the best ways to earn money with a small business. Remember, the key is to start small, stay consistent, and always look for opportunities to grow. Which tip will you implement first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you succeed in your business journey. Until next time, keep hustling and making those dreams come true.